In this video, we'll show you how to master search engine optimization, or SEO, to boost your website's ranking and drive more traffic. Stay tuned for actionable tips and strategies. First, let's cover the basics. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, or CRPs. The higher your site ranks, the more visibility it gets, leading to increased traffic and potential customers. Keyword research is the foundation of effective SEO. Start by identifying relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and RFs can help you find the best keywords for your niche. Focus on long-tail keywords. These are longer and more specific phrases that are less competitive but highly targeted. Next, let's dive into on-page SEO. This involves optimizing individual pages on your website to rank higher. Key elements include title tags. Your title tag should be compelling and include your primary keyword. Meta descriptions. Write a concise meta description that includes your keyword and entices users to click. Headings. Use H1, H2, and H3 tags to structure your content. Include keywords naturally. Create high-quality, relevant content that provides value to your audience. Aim for at least 1,000 words per page. Keep your URL short and include your target keywords. Technical SEO ensures that search engines can easily crawl and index your site. Key aspects include site speed. Ensure your website loads quickly. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify areas for improvement. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. Create and submit an XML sitemap to search engines to help them understand your site structure. Building high-quality backlinks is crucial for off-page SEO. Backlinks from reputable sites signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Focus on creating shareable content and guest posting on relevant blogs. User experience plays a significant role in SEO. Ensure your site is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and free of intrusive ads. A positive user experience leads to longer visit durations and lower bounce rates, which can positively impact your rankings. In this world of AI, you probably don't want to be left behind. I made a video about this that is on screen now. Make money with AI while you still can.